So, children, today we are going to study from Living English Standard 4, a new lesson. So, let's start. The name of the lesson is Clever Birbal. So, let's start. So, before I start the story, you have to solve these riddles. Look for clues in the picture, write the answer on the blank. First one. What has hands but cannot clap? The answer is clock. What belongs to you but is generally used by others? Answer your name. Which word is spelled wrong in every dictionary? The word wrong. Number 4. What has an eye but cannot see? Answer needle. Number 5. How many months have 28 days? All 12 months have 28 days. Where will you find Friday before Thursday? In the dictionary. And the last one, what has teeth but cannot chew? Answer comb. Start the story. A poor scribe lived in Agra. What is the meaning of scribe? A person who copied written documents in the olden days. So he copied other people's writing and books and earned very little. Yet he never borrowed money. We must never fall into the hands of the moneylender. If we do, we will be ruined. Ruin means to lose all the money. He often told his wife. One night, the scribe dreamt that he had borrowed 100 gold coins from the moneylender. The next morning, he told his wife about his dream and she told her. So, children, in the story, there are four characters: the moneylender, scribe, his wife, and Birbal. So, the scribe often told his wife never fall into the hands of the moneylender. He thinks that if we do, we will be ruined. One night he dreamt that he had borrowed 100 gold coins from the moneylender, and next day he told his wife about his dream. Told her friends thought it was a very good story and repeated it to their husbands. The story spread, and a few days later, it reached the ears of the moneylender. The moneylender got an idea. He went over to the scribe's house. I have come, he announced, to remind you of the 100 gold coins you owe me. But it was just a dream, cried the scribe and his wife. You cannot ask us to return money that has only been borrowed in a dream. Borrowed money must be returned. Return the money along with the interest, he said and left. We must ask Raja Birbal to help. Now the dream of the scribe was spread and reached the ears of the moneylender. The moneylender had an idea of demanding the money that the scribe had borrowed from him in his dream, and he went to the scribe and demanded the money with interest. We must ask Raja Birbal to help us, said the scribe, and told Birbal his sad story. I will help you, replied Birbal. Bring the moneylender here. Birbal brought 100 gold coins and placed a large mirror in front of the coins. The moneylender and the scribe reached Birbal's house in no time. Did the scribe borrow 100 gold coins from you in his dream? Birbal asked the moneylender. That is so, replied the moneylender. Well, said Birbal, you may take all the coins in the mirror. The real coins belong to me, but all those in the reflection are yours in return for the dream loan. The moneylender knew he had been outsmarted by Birbal. He turned and left without a word. He never tried to cheat anyone else again. Outsmarted means proven wrong. So, what happened? The scribe went to Birbal for help. Birbal kept 100 gold coin in front of the mirror and asked the moneylender to take the coins. Reflection in the mirror. The moneylender knew he was being outsmarted by Birbal, and so he left. So, what have we learned from this lesson? We have learned that we must never try to cheat anyone. In the story, the moneylender learned that he had been outsmarted and he decided to never cheat anyone else again. Let's do the exercises. First one is comprehension. You have to number these sentences in the correct order. The order is given. Now the question answers. First one, what did the scribe often tell his wife? Answer. The scribe often told his wife never fall into the hands of the money lender. Question number 2. How did the money lender come to know about the scribe's dream? Answer. The story of the scribe's dream spread among the people and reached the money lender. What idea did the money lender get? Answer. The money lender get the idea of demanding the money that the scribe had borrowed from him in his dream. How did Birbal help scribe? Answer. Birbal kept 100 gold coin in front of the mirror and asked the money lender to take the coins. Reflection in the mirror. The money lender knew he was being outsmarted by Birbal and so he left. In this way, Birbal helped scribe. Fifth one. What lesson did the money lender learn at the end? Answer. The money lender learned that he had been outsmarted. He never tried to cheat anyone else again.